In this case, I have a project that I have rendered as a PNG sequence. However, it has audio that is synced to the lip movement of my character. Hello. So I need to export the audio file separately to keep it properly in sync. To do this, hover over Render on the top bar and click on Render Audio. To change the file format, click on the drop down next to Container, and in this case, I am going to select .wav. To change the name of the file, click on the text box below the file viewer. To render the audio file, click on Mix Down. Now in my editing software, I can import the PNG sequence with the project's audio file perfectly in sync. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye. Hello. Hello.